How to monetize Snapchat Spotlight. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So there are various rules and guidelines regarding it in case if you want to monetize your Snapchat Spotlight. First of all, you should be in United States or should be making it on behalf of a business which is located in United States. And also you should make it using Snapchat's camera, and it should be original and not copy pasted or using someone else's copyrighted material. You won't be able to get any money out of it. You won't get monetized. And also it's not dependent on the views. It depends whether your snaps are original and good. You will be paid out of the share of $1 million which is paid per day. So you get the share of it in case if your spotlight catches the eye of the audience. So it's all about the attention that you get. So this is all about a Snapchat's Spotlight and its monetization. I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.